In astrology, the 12 zodiac signs represent different archetypal facets of the human psyche. While it is common for people to identify primarily with their sun, moon, and rising signs, the truth is that all human beings embody each of the 12 zodiacal energies. The degree to which one expresses these archetypes varies from person to person, as does the form and timing of expression. The fact remains, however, that the 12 signs form an illustration of the complete human personality. Even if a person feels no resonance with one sign in particular, the energy of that sign cannot be ignored. On the contrary, that sign should be given additional attention. For so long as a person remains in this world, they have much to learn about those energies which they have not yet integrated. In this video, we will explore Libra energy. As with every topic in the occult, a complete description is impossible. The nature of life's mysteries are inherently subjective, and therefore we cannot hope to incorporate every possible nuance within the scope of this video. Rather, we will touch on a few practical details that form the core of Libra energy as it is observed in the collective consciousness of our times. Libra is the harmony within. This sign is symbolized by the scales, exuding an energy of balance and equilibrium. If you were to meet a master of Libra energy, you would find someone who appreciates and understands both the darkness and the light. Darkness, in our context, means things such as shadow work, death, and the consideration of evil as a trait common to all human beings. Light, on the other hand, signifies unconditional love, selflessness, and feeling content with nothing but the present moment. The master of Libra energy has experienced the complete spectrum between these two extremes. In this way, they know when to make peace and when to reach for the powers of destruction. There is, however, no such thing as a master of Libra energy. To master one archetype is to master all archetypes, as they all necessarily exist with relationship to one another. A prime example is the relationship between Libra and Aries. Libra epitomizes harmony, harmony which extends from the individual themselves to their surrounding group. In this way, a person with inner peace and contentment will radiate those same energies, thus influencing their companions to adapt to similar vibrations. Aries, on the other hand, lies opposite to Libra on the zodiac wheel. It is known for its fierce individualism, using aggression to destroy everything that stands between itself and its goal. Whereas Libra energy focuses on equality and fairness amongst individuals, Aries focuses on itself above others. Neither one is more important or better than the other. Indeed, a self-realized person will understand how to embody both energies simultaneously, only amplifying one over the other at appropriate times. When you decide to develop and manifest the Libra energy within, you are making a commitment to embody the virtue of balance. Practically speaking, you will start by paying attention to the areas of your life that feel imbalanced. This often manifests in the form of relationships with friends, family members, or employers. People who naturally express Libra energy will often make the mistake of using people-pleasing behaviors and self-sacrifice in an attempt to maintain external balance. Imbalance can also take the form of judgment. The immature Libra-centric personality is constantly judging others for their so-called wrongdoings. In this sense, a wrongdoing is any behavior, large or small, which disturbs the peace or causes disruption in a group setting. A person with immature, Libra-centric personality traits will, at worst, go out of their way to seek discord in their environment so that they can exercise harmony onto others. All of these examples have one thing in common: projection. When a person is emotionally disturbed by any degree of discord in the outside world, it is because that external event reminds them of the chaos within. it is easy to observe disruptions in the outside world, as such things occur in plain sight. However, we are often blind to the inner world, which we have been conditioned to ignore. For this reason, Libra-centric personalities may not recognize that external chaos is triggering their own internal chaos. While the external event may still represent a legitimate concern, it generally lies beyond the control of the observer. The observer, in almost all cases, has much more control over their own inner world. People who commit themselves to mastering Libra energy must practice looking within. In order to truly generate harmony, we must find equilibrium within ourselves. This involves accepting conflict and chaos as a normal part of life. While peace and harmony are Libra's preferences, Libra still appreciates the secret truth that discord and confrontation are, at times, exactly what we need. Devotion to Libra energy also involves expressing gratitude for the balance you experience on a daily basis. Feel joy during small moments of harmony. Give thanks to yourself for managing the chaos of life. Give thanks to yourself for engaging in the daunting task of confrontation. Also, forgive yourself if you fail at these tasks, or if you overcompensate in your attempts to grow. Thank you for joining us today, fellow explorers. Remember that Libra shows us how all of life's beauty rests on a balance between opposites. In a realm where so much lies beyond our control, we cannot go wrong by learning to embody the wisdom of the scales.